2025 CVO ST Rally Red. I got a truck that just came in right now though.
Really? What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught the last video where we put the rims on the street glide, and man, that thing just looked oh so great, man. I ain't gonna lie, that thing is like one of the best street glides I put together in a while. Meanwhile, man, we got a text yesterday from my guy Alton here at San Jacinto Harley Davidson. He said, man, we finally got a new CVO in. I'm like, which one is it? He like, it's a CVO ST model. Come check it out, man. So we're here today at San Jacinto Harley, about to check out the new 2025 Road Glide CVO ST. Now this is going to be the race version, so we'll see what it looks like compared to our race bike, because we actually get our ECM back for our bike today, man. So we should be getting the first ride on our built Road Glide today, man. So I can't wait for that. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you guys haven't headed to the website, man, head on over to thatsregular.com, man. Go support your boy by copying anything on the site. Everything on the site is only 13 bucks. You guys never know, man. You guys seen the blue 2018 Street Glide that we made pretty much in 2021. It could be yours, man. You never know. Head on over to the site, thatsregular.com, and go copy your merch right now. If you did purchase something within the last few days to a week, it has already been shipped out, so be on the lookout in your mailbox. I definitely appreciate that, man. Y'all know what time it is. Let's walk up in here and see what they got for us, man. San Jacinto, of course they got the bikes lined up back to back to back to back, and they feel wonderful out here. Let's see what they got. I'm looking for this CVO, man. Now they got the CVO at the door. I believe this is like a 2018 Street Glide CVO right here. 2018. However, where is the CVO ST? Oh, I see it right there, back in the back, bright as heck, red as ever. Oh yeah, that thing is looking nice, man. Let's see what we got. Of course, they got all the bikes and everything. My guy, oh yeah, I love him. Look, you got it right today, man. Yes, sir. So look, check me out real quick. Come get on camera for me real quick, man. How you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Man, tell them where we at one time.
San Jacinto Harley Davidson.
Man, so you guys got a whole new busload of 2025, and then I just seen you guys got the Big Daddy over there, man.
Yes,
can you tell us about it real quick, man?
2025 CVO ST Rally Red.
Rally Red. So this is the only new CVO you got in stock, right?
Correct.
So
I got a truck that just came in right now though.
Really?
Yeah.
Can we record it?
Let me make sure.
Okay.
Let me make
Bet.
sure.
Appreciate it. All right, man, so here we go, 2025 CVO ST. This is the Big Daddy. I ain't gonna lie, this is my favorite new CVO ST right here. The paint on it just looks so bright. You got that Screaming Eagle literally up top with the oohs and the ahs on the side. Of course, you got that black with the gloss. Oh my goodness. See these new exhausts with the coloring on them. I'm used to like that black chrome, but this is actually like black gloss. So they powder coated that stuff. It looks really dope. Of course, you got the little engine parts all red, which matches the bike oh so dope. I'm not gonna lie to you, this thing is a freaking beast. Like, I'm still trying to take it all in with y'all. Look at this carbon flashed front fender on this joint. Like I said, they just got this bike in yesterday, so we're like the first ones to check it out. I'm not gonna lie, this color on here is insane, man. I think I want this joint. I think I want this joint. Of course, you got the CVO ST dash, whole carbon flash, all the oohs and ahs, man. This thing is nice. I love that gloss black inner fairing. Of course, you got the pilot seat on here, so definitely built for racing. But if you didn't want to just strictly race, you can take this back part off and put your passenger seat on here. Not here yet? Oh, okay, I appreciate it though. I appreciate it. Good looking out, man. Yeah, so, hey man, I appreciate that. Thanks a lot. Yeah, so I guess the truck is not here yet, but it might be here today.
Yeah, it should be in round any minute.
You think it's another CVO?
It's gonna be some soft tails.
Oh, soft tails.
New paint.
Oh, the new paint jobs. Okay, yeah, for sure. I'm gonna have to come back and check them out.
Give me about 15, 20 probably.
All good, I appreciate it, man. Thanks, bro. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what's going on. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is freaking nice, man. Let's see. I'm not gonna start it, trust me, I won't start it. Let's see. CVO Big Daddy on a Big Daddy, man. Look at that screen. It looked like a whole iPad. And of course, literally only 5 miles. So who got the lucky chance to ride the 5 miles in here? Any of you guys?
No, they come from the factory.
Oh, with 5. Oh, okay, got you.
He's the first person to ever put his butt on.
Yeah? Wow, man.
Different people.
Yeah, I hear that.
So I've never ridden one of those.
That's insane, dude. And this thing looks good. Like, this red is just crazy, bro. If you guys want that new CVO ST, in that bright red, man. They got it here at San Jacinto Harley Davidson, man. They're gonna get you right. Now the other 2025s, where are the other colors at? Let's see. They might be down here somewhere. Oh, here they go, back here. They got the Big Daddies. I ain't gonna lie, this orange one, it's just so nice. See, last time we came, the new 2025s was upstairs, so they brought them all downstairs, and this one's probably like my favorite one right here, man. And this one's freaking nice as heck. Like, those flames on this thing look so dope. Not gonna hold you, man. The flame, I think this orange one is really nice. And upstairs it looked red, but down here it really looks orange. So y'all can just see how different it looks with the light. And of course, this is the new Harley Davidson factory custom, a new section out of the Harley Davidson Capitol out there, man. And of course, it looks like a black regular Street Glide, but it's not. Once we get up on it, you got the flame gang, the smoke flames and all that. You got it on the fender. Now, you guys gotta let me know, which one do you guys like more? This orange with the flame or the black with the flame? Meanwhile, you can't really see either one unless you really get up on it. But if I have to choose, I'm gonna go with the orange one. And then I'd probably try to find like some nice brushed wheels with some buttons, like this color orange, like a real light color orange, man. So, and then of course, we got the denim purple right here. These things look nice, man. They got a whole busload of 2025s in here. So, y'all know where to come if y'all want one of them new daddy-os. One of them new daddy-os. Now, my whole thing is, like, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I really been wanting a trike, dude. Like, this is like a Road King trike. This is a 2025. Look at this thing. This is, I'm guessing this is how the new Road Kings are gonna be. With the emblem on the front, that thing looks pretty dope. I love that color on there. It looks like they got the Talon wheels up front, but it's not really necessarily the Talon wheels. It's a little bit different. I guess it's like a updated version of the Talon wheels. And of course, this freaking paint scheme is just dope as heck. You got a whole trunk back here. Let's see how this trunk thing works. Of course, you got your logo down there. Does it open up this way? Oh, it opens to the side. Now that's pretty dope. See, I never experienced a trike before, so I'll just redo that with you guys because I was actually learning it for the first time too. So I thought it opened up like that, but you guys just see, you got your trunk back here. You can have your music with your beat and then just open up like so. You got a whole, like literally a whole trunk back here, man. This thing is pretty big. Now you can't fit a golf bag back here, but I'm not gonna lie, this thing is nice. What do they call this? A freewheeler. They call this bike a freewheeler. And I ain't gonna lie, I really want me one of these like trikes like this. I wonder if it burns rubber though. That's the only thing I wanna know. If you can turn the traction control off on this thing and do donuts, that would be so fun. Now imagine turning one of these to like a race bike, throwing a big turbo on that thing. I think it'll be freaking insane. Like, let's just look up under here real quick, cause I ain't never looked up under here either. You got yeah, this thing is different. You got full daddy exhaust on this joint. I ain't gonna lie. This thing is nice, and then they got the one with the fairing on it too. So pretty sick. Me personally, I'll probably rather have the Road King one. Street Glide is nice, and then of course they got the Big Daddy Road Glide. I think I might rather have the Road Glide or that Road King. I'm not sure yet. See, they haven't put the new front ends on these freewheelers yet, so I'm thinking if you can even put a new front end from the newer bikes on this Road Glide right here. We'll have to see about that, see what they think. Meanwhile, they said they got some soft tails coming in today, so I think we might hang around and at least get that delivery, see if we can check out the new colors of the soft tails and whatnot. But meanwhile, they do got a whole busload of new 2025s here, man, so you don't gotta look no further. I did the looking for you. They got like the only CVO ST in town. So if y'all want the best looking CVO, y'all know where to come to. San Jacinto, they're gonna get you right. And I'm telling you, that color is a freaking beast. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Of course, we got all the other bikes right here ready to roll out. I don't know if this is a Fat Boy or what. It looks similar to a V-Rod, but I would love you. There's new Fat Boys right here. With the big tire up front. Like I said, it looks like a V-Rod. Pretty clean bike. Y'all let me know which one is y'all favorite in here, and I'll let you guys know. It's a movie. All right, man, we just checked out the new 2025 CVO ST. That thing is a beast now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to go home, check my credit myself, see what we can get done, because I kind of like that bike, man. We'll have to see what we can do. If it's not that one, I actually like that chrome, that new chrome CVO, so we'll have to wait till we see the chrome CVO to see which one we likes best. But that ST really looks nice, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Man, if you guys want any bike that you've seen in here, come on down to San Jacinto, Harley Davidson, man. They're gonna get you right, man. Ask for any other sales team, man. It don't matter who it is, man. Tell them everything Regular sent you, man. They're gonna get you right. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in. If y'all haven't headed to the website, go to that'sregular.com right now. Go support your boy, man. Go purchase anything on the website for only 13 bucks. You guys never know. You guys see that street glide that we put together, man. It could be yours, but we need enough traction on the website first, man. So I appreciate the people who did support so far, and I appreciate the people that's wanting to support, man. I'm gonna be waiting on you. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.